Social Security Retirement Planner Honest Review. Watch before using. The Social Security Retirement Planner is a free online tool from the SSA that helps you estimate your future retirement benefit based on your earning history and planned retirement age. It offers calculators for various scenarios, including early or delayed retirement, spousal benefit, and the impact of continued work on your benefit. And here's the key advantages and disadvantages about this platform. So picking the advantages over the disadvantages. So as a SSA tools, it provides reliable estimates using your actual earning record. It also includes the calculators for different situations such as the windfall estimation elimination provision, which is the WEP, and the government pension offset, which is the GPO. It also comes with that, and it does not require sensitive professional information beyond what's necessary for calculation. And here's the downside: the design is functional and but may feel updated compared to modern financial apps. Some calculator requires you to input your earning manually, which can be time consuming, and while it provides estimates, it does not offer personalized advice or planning strategy. And here your overall conclusion: the Social Security Retirement Planner is the trustworthy and essential tools for anyone approaching retirement. It's especially useful for understanding how different retirement age and earning scenarios can affect your benefit. However, for comprehensive retirement planning, consider supplementing it with additional tools or consulting a financial advisor. Thanks.